Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can block specific emails on Gmail from coming into your inbox. This is going to be a really simple tutorial, so if it does help you out, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So what you need to do is make sure you're logged in to the Gmail account you want to do this on, and then go to the settings cog icon in the top right, and then click again on settings. Once you're inside settings, go to filters and blocked addresses. Then we can create a new filter. What you need to do now is enter in the email address in this box here, and that's going to be the from box. So we're going to enter in johnsmith@gmail.com. So let's say, for example, we don't want emails from John Smith. So what we can do is then click create filter. Then what we can do, and we've got some options here, but I'm going to click on delete it. So if we get a message from johnsmith@gmail.com, it will always be deleted, but we can never mark it as important, we can mark it as read all the time, we can forward it to someone, we can just skip the inbox and archive it, but I like to just delete it. And you can click delete, you can click create filter, and then every email that you get from that email is now going to be deleted. And if we want to undo this at a certain time, we can just click delete and you start receiving emails from them again. So that's how you can do it. If that helped you out, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.